SAIT grads come to us job ready. Their programs afford them a lot of hands-on experience and a lot of practical experience. When they join us, they've already got that framework of skills established. And when they join Enbridge, we're more easily able to train them into those job-specific skills that they're going to need for a role with us. My name is Theresa Smart. I'm the manager of Supply Chain Supplier Performance. I'm also the manager of our Supply Chain Intern Recruiting and New Graduate Hiring. Enbridge's relationship with SAIT for interns is long-standing. We've been doing it for several years now, and we run our internship program year-round, so we constantly have interns from SAIT working on site with us directly in the office as if they were full-time employees. Enbridge really likes and is looking for people who have a passion for their work, they're driven, and they really want to excel at what they do, because ultimately we're looking for top talent and future leaders.